this is diffuser that we use I showed you another tank. This is pre-treatment tank. Mr. Ali is going to show us a demonstration how to fix a diffuser. Actually, this diffuser has one part. This is actually the diffuser where air will come. Can you see these tiny lines? These lines are having tiny holes which will be receiving air through this air pipe, and this will air will release through these tiny holes, so that this will help aerating the water inside the tank. And this has another fixing part. This is a plastic PVC slot. Half of the slot will be placed here, and this nipple goes into this hole. So this is how this fixed. This sits over this hole with this rubber ring air tightened, and this slot will be having another slot from bottom, another half. Where is the another half? This is the another half which will be fixed from the bottom, so that this will be fixed here in the slot through this pipe. Okay, now Ali will be fixing this and show you how exactly it is done. Okay, the diffuser is placed here in the place. You can see this is like a disc, and now other half of the diffuser will be other half of the socket. The fixer is simply inserted over the groove given to the upper part, and he needs to knock it a little, right? Do you knock it? Knock karte na? Okay. He will be knocking it a little in order to make sure that this doesn't slip back, and now this is fixed. You can see there are locking teeth here, so once this teeth crosses, this is locked and this will not slip back. So this is how we fix a diffuser. Let me explain you again. This is a diffuser, aeration diffuser, which is having these lines, and each of these lines are having, you can see, tiny holes, and these holes are the medium of air to be transferred through pipe in order to make the aeration of the sewer water. Let me introduce ourselves. This is me, Iqbal, the consultant supervision engineer, responsible to monitor all these works here. And this is the team. Dhananjay you have already met, the operation guy, Mr. Ali, Mr. Adnan, Mr. Vikas. I know your name, of course. So this is the team who are working, and some of these guys have been chosen to do the operation and maintenance. For now, this is it, and wait for another video I will be uploading related to the same process of commissioning and pre-commissioning.